Welcome to another episode of Time with Dr. Mahama. Our topic is gratitude is the attitude for healing. Gratitude is the attitude for healing. God is the ultimate healer. God is the ultimate healer. But both the physician and the patient have a role in any healing process. The role of the patient in any healing process is their faith. Their faith. Some patients believe that when they get treatment by injections, they recover quickly. So sometimes they may even be given only water for injection. That is water as an injection. And you'll be surprised to see how many of them claim that they have got a relief from the headache or whatever it was they were suffering, because they believe that injections cure them faster. So even in scientific research, when a new drug is being tested for healing a particular disease, there'll usually be two groups of patients. One group will get the new drug that is being tested, and the other group will be put on a drug that is known to have no effect at all, a placebo effect. And the two groups will be given the medications. At the end of it, the scientists will test. Usually the patients are informed for ethical reasons that you may be in this group or that group. So it is not like they are experimenting on the patients without their knowledge. Patients will usually be told that we are testing this drug and we may put you in the group that will get that drug or in another group that will get another drug. A prime example of how faith helps with healing is seen in the Bible. Matthew chapter 5, verse 24 to 31. This talks of a story of a lady who was bleeding. She had an issue of bleeding for 12 years. She had gone to many doctors, spent all her money, sold all her property, and paid doctors. And yet, her condition was getting worse. So when she heard that Jesus Christ was in town, she said to herself, if only I could just touch the hem of his gown, I'll be healed. So she forced her way through the crowds to get to Jesus Christ and touched the helmet of the corner of his gown. Jesus, being God, felt some power go out of him. So he turned around and said, who touched me? His disciples were amazed. So they told him, you see people crowding on you and pushing against you, and you can say, who touched me? But Jesus kept looking. Meanwhile, the woman, as soon as she touched the gown of the helmet of the corner of his gown, she felt that she had been healed. So the woman came and fell at the feet of Jesus Christ and confessed that she was the one who touched him, and this is the reason she touched him. She told him about how many years, 12 years, that she had suffered going to doctors and was getting worse. So Christ said to her, my daughter, your faith has healed you. So it is obvious that faith is important for your healing. And this is borne out by the fact that patients will always go to either a herbalist, a clinic, because they have heard that this doctor or clinic can heal their condition. So faith is important in your healing. Thank you for listening. We'll meet again with the next episode.